Hard wax for sensitive skin, strip-free formula for sensitive and delicate area. Get super soft skin with our specially formulated wax that sticks to hair, not skin. No more irritation, no more inflammations. Special facial wax. Facial waxing is a process of semi-permanent hair removal in which pink face wax is used to remove unwanted thin and fine facial hair and or anywhere you find unwanted peach fuzz. You can do it at home with our hard wax kit. Start with a flawlessly fresh face to master the no makeup look, or just go bare. Exfoliating power. Are you looking to rejuvenate and restore your skin's natural glow? If so, the KOTAMU hard wax kit can help. Our hard wax easy grip. Each strand of exfoliation can help facilitate your skin's natural exfoliation process. Waxing hair removal from the root and exfoliating, enjoying being refreshed for 3 to 6 weeks. Complete waxing kit. Our starter wax warmers are great for waxing small to medium areas of the body. Holds 500 milliliters/14 ounces of hard wax. This wax warmer features new rapid heat feature with 160 F240 heat setting and can be used to heat bulk hard wax, wax bricks and wax beads. KOTAMU Brazilian waxing kit come with everything that is needed to perform facial waxing service. 100% satisfaction guarantee. We strive to create effective hair removal waxing kit tailored to the needs of our customers. Your satisfaction means everything to us, and we stand behind our wax kit with a 30 days money-back guarantee. Top reviews from the United States. Works like a champ. The hotter you can handle the wax, the better the results will be. I absolutely adore this little thing. Heats up great, easy to use, and removed all of my fine and thick chin hairs from my face. I am super hairy, and this little hair removal kit works awesome for me. No issues with warmer not working nor getting hot enough at this time. I purchased this item about 1 month ago, and have used it twice with great results. Must have.